Hi children, good morning. So in the previous episodes we have discussed about the fourth chapter, that is subtraction up to 20. And in that chapter you have learned about different types of, that is mainly two types of subtractions, that is horizontal subtraction and vertical subtraction, and how to subtract numbers on a number line. And also practice some word problems. So now let us go to the next chapter, that is the fifth chapter. So children, up to now we have discussed only additions and subtractions up to the numbers 20. So now from this chapter onwards, now we are going to learn about numbers from 21 to 100. So this is the fifth chapter, that is numbers from 21 to 100. So children, in this chapter we will learn about how to write numbers from 21 to 100 and how to do subtractions from numbers 21 to 100 and how to do additions from numbers 21 to 100, and also how to represent these numbers from 21 to 100 on a number line. So children, so let us recall once how to write the numbers from 1 to 20, which is already learned in your previous chapter. That is in the first chapter, you have already learned how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. So let us recall once how to write the numbers from 1 to 20 again. Next we will enter into our chapter. So children, so let us see how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. So children, so you are observing a caterpillar like an insect, and there are some missing numbers in this body. So now our task is we have to complete these gaps with the numbers. So children, shall we start now? Okay, so shall we start? So children, so there is a 2 is given, but the before number is missed here. So what is the before number for 2? So what will we get before 2? So we will get 1. So write 1 here. So write 1 here. So that is 1 is the before number to 2. So next children, so here is the gap. So after 2 we will get, yes, very good, 3. So write 3 in this box. Next after 3 we will get, what will we get? Yes, 4. Very good. So write 4 in this gap. So 5 is already given. After 4 we will get 5. After 5, so what is the number after 5? We will get, yes, very good, 6. So write 6 in this. So now continue this process. So after 6, what number we will get? After 6 we will get 7. Very good. So write 7 here. So after 7, children, what number you will get? After 7? Yes, 8. Very good. So write 8 here. So 8 after 9, but 9 is already given. So after 9, so what we have to write? After 9 we will get, yes, very good, 10. So write 10 in that box. So after 10, so what will we get? After 10? Yes, 11. So write 11 in this. So after 11, we will write 12, and it is already given. And after 12, what number we have to write? After 12? That's very good, 13. So write 13 here. So after 13, so what number you will get? So after 13, yes, 14. So children, so after 14, which number we will get? So after 14 we will get, so 15. So write 15 here. And 16 is already given. So 15 after 16, 16 after, so very good, 17. So 17 after 18. So write 18 here. So 18 after, children, what number will get? 19. So very good. So these numbers you have already learned from numbers 1 to 20. So now our chapter is numbers from 21 to 100. That is how to write the numbers from 21 to 100 in the number names and also words. So let us enter into our lesson. That is the next part in this lesson. So children, so ready, steady. Write the numbers and the number names. So here we have to write the numbers in these boxes, and we have to write the number names in the long box. So we have to write the number in the short box, we have to write the number name in the long box. So, shall we start? So, see the first one, there is 110 and 2 ones make 110 and 2 ones make children. So, which number it will form? There is only 110 and 2 ones. So, that makes children how much? That is 12. So, write 12 here and the number name is 12. You have already learned how to write the number names from 1 to 20. So, this number is read as 12. So, very good. So, let us see the next one. There is 110 and 4 ones. It makes how much number? So, if there is 110 and 4 ones, that makes, so you will form which number? So, 14. So, write 14 in this box and it can be read as 14. So, the number name for this is 14. So, see the last one. 2 tens make. Children, so observe carefully. There are only tens, but there are no ones. So, only tens are given. How many tens are there? 2 tens are given. But how many ones are there? That is 0 ones. So, if there are no ones, that meaning, so 0 is there in the ones place. So, here is the 0 ones and here is the 2 ones. So, total becomes how much number? So, 20. So much? 20. So, this number name is 20. So, children, so in this way, we can write number names for the given numbers. Children, up to now, we have practiced how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. So, which are already learned in previous chapters. So, now we are going to learn about how to write the numbers from 21 to 30 first. So, 21 to 30. So, see the pointer, children. So, numbers 21 to 30. So, how can we write the numbers from 21 to 30? So, children, so see here. So, you are observing some groups of balls here. And in each group, children, how many balls are there? So, let us count how many balls are there in each group. So, first let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, each group contains 10 balls. That means each group represents 110. Because there are 10 balls in each group, that's why each group represents 110 and a single ball represents ones. So, remember, so here, so let us, each group represents 110 and a single ball represents ones. So, children, how many tens are there? So, this is 110 and this is another 10. So, total 2 tens are there. That is 2 tens. And how many ones are there? Each single ball represent each one. So, that way, so how many ones are there? 1 is there. So, that is 2 tens and 1. So, becomes how much number it forms? So, it forms 21. So, write 21 here. So, this number is called 21 and it can be read as 21. So, now see the next one. Children, how many tens are there? Here also there are 2 tens. Each group represents 110 and there are 2 groups. That means 2 tens are there. 2 tens. And how many single balls are there? 2 single balls are there. So, each single ball represents each one. And 2 single balls represent 2 ones. So, 2 tens and 2 tens together make how much number? 22. So, write 22 here. This number can be read as 22. Next, see the next one. How many tens are there? 2 tens are there. How many ones are there? 3 ones are there. 3 single balls are there. That's why there are 3 ones. So, 2 tens and 3 ones. So, becomes how much number? 23. So, this number can be read as 23. Next is the next one. How many tens are there? So, there are 2 groups. That means there are 2 tens. 2 tens. And how many single balls are there? 4 single balls are there. That means 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones together make how much number? 24. So, write 24 here. And this number can be read as 24. So, children, see here 24. Next, See the next one here. How many tens are there, children? How many groups are there? Here also two groups. That means two tens. How many single balls are there? Five single balls are there. That means five ones. Two tens and five ones. Together make how much number it will form? 25. So write 25 and 25 can be read as 25. It can be read as 25. Next, children, see the next one. How many tens are there? There are two tens. How many ones are there? Total 6 ones are there. That is 6 single balls are there. That is 2 tens and 6 ones. So 2 tens and 6 ones together make which number here? 26. So write 26 and this number can be read as 26. So children, see the next one. How many tens are there here also? Here also there are two tens. That is two groups. Each group represents one ten. So these are two tens. How many single balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single balls are there. That means it is 7 ones. So 2 tens, 7 ones. 2 tens and 7 ones. It will form how much number? 27. Write 27 here. So 27. So this can be read as like this 27. So children, see the next one here. So that is how many tens are there here? Here also there are two tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones are there. So 2 tens and 8 ones. 2 tens and 8 ones. How much number it forms? It forms 28. So write 28 here. And it can be read as 28. So children, see the next one. How many tens are there? Here also there are two tens. This is one ten and this is another 10. So total 2 tens. And how many single balls are there? Total 9 balls are there. So 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. So together make how much number it forms? It forms 29. So it can be read as 29. See the last one. Children, how many tens are there? So there are 3 groups. Each represents 1 ten. This is the first ten, second ten, third ten. So how many tens are there total? There are 3 tens. But there are no single balls here. That means there are no ones. Only tens. So there are no ones. So no ones means there are only 0 ones. There are 0 ones. So that is 3 tens and 0 ones. 3 tens becomes how much number it forms? 30. So 30. So 0 can be, it means 0 means there are 0 ones. 3 means there are 3 tens. So becomes 30. It can be read as 30. So children, so in this way we can write the numbers from 21 to 30. So let us read. So let us see how to read the numbers from 21 to 30. See the children. So this number is, so this number can be read as 21. And this number can be read as 22. And this number can be read as 23. And this number 24. So 24 after 25. So after 25 we have to write 26. After 26 we will get 27. After 27 we have to write 28. And after 28 we have to write 29. And after 29 we will get 30. So in this way we can write the numbers from 21 to 30 and also the number names for 21 to 30. So these are the numbers and these are the number names. Now let us learn how to write the numbers from 31 to 40. So let us see how to write the numbers from 31 to 40. Numbers from 31 to 40. So children, so see here. So in these pictures also, so see the first row. So how many tens are there? So there are, so each group represent 1 ten. Already we have learned in the previous one. So each group represent 1 10. So this is the first 10, second 10, third 10. So total there are 3 tens. And how many ones are there? Single one is there, that is 1 1. So 3 tens and 1 ones together make 31. So write 31 in this circle. So next, see the second row. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 tens. How many ones are there? 1, 2. So 3 tens and 2 ones together make 32. So write 32 in this circle. So see the third row, children. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So total 3 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So 3 tens and 3 ones. So together makes how much number? 33. So write 33 in this circle. So next, see the fourth row. How many tens are there, children? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 tens. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. That is 3 tens and 4 ones. So together make how much number? 34. So write 34 in this circle. See the next row. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So children, how many tens are there? Total 3 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are there. So total 3 tens and 5 ones. So how much number it forms? 35. And see the next row, children. How many tens are there here also? 1, 2, 3. So total 3 tens are there. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are there. So total 3 tens and 6 ones. So together make how much number? 36. And see the next row. So here also how many tens? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 tens and 7 ones. 3 tens and 7 ones. Total makes 37. So write 37 in this set. See the next row, children. How many tens are there here also? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones and 3 tens. That is 3 tens and 8 ones. Total becomes how much number it forms? 38. So write 38 in this set. See the next row. So children, how many tens are there here also? Here also total there are 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 tens. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 3 tens and 9 ones. 3 tens and 9 ones. Total becomes 39. So write 39 in this circle. So see the last row. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, there are a total of 4 tens, but there are no single bars. That means there are no ones. So that means no ones means there are 0 ones. So total 4 tens and 0 ones. So that becomes 40. That is 4 0. Here 0 represents there are no ones. That is 0. So children, so in this way we can write the numbers from 31 to 40. And what are the number names for 31 to 40? So let us see how to write the number names from 31 to 40. So children, see this number. This is 31. And what is this? 32. And what is this? 33. And what is this number? 34. And this is 35. And this number can be read as 36. And this number can be read as 37. And this number can be read as 38. And this is 39. And this number is 40. So these are the number names from 31 to 40.